What's up everybody, in this video I'll show you how to make transactions in the Xempire Power application using your Telegram wallet. Let's dive in. First open your Xempire Power app and go to the airdrop section located in the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it and you'll enter the airdrop area. Now open your Telegram wallet, ensure you have at least 0.5 TON in your wallet. This is necessary for making transactions. If you don't have enough, here's how to replenish your wallet. You have 3 options to add funds to your Telegram wallet. Tap on Add Crypto, select a bank transfer and choose TONcoin. Enter the amount, fill in your personal details like your name and address, and don't forget to upload a valid ID for verification. For the second method, go to the P2P market and hit Get Started. Select the seller that fits your needs and enter your details, but you won't need to provide your ID here. Finally, in the TON space, select TONcoin and copy the deposit address. Then go back to your Xempire app. In the Xempire app, go to the 3 lines in the top right corner and navigate back to the airdrop section. Make your transaction by confirming the payment you just made from your Telegram wallet. And that's how you make transactions in the Xempire app using your Telegram. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.